Planning a trip to Japan? Here's why Osaka ended up being our favorite city, even over Tokyo. Osaka consistently ranks among the world's top destinations, and it's certainly left an impression on us. For most visitors, there are two areas that you'll spend time exploring. North of the river is the Kita district, known for its shopping, restaurants, and modern skyline. The highlight here is the Umeda Sky Building, where you can enjoy panoramic views of the city from its floating garden observatory. I've mentioned the Osaka Amazing Pass in some of my shorts, and this is one of the attractions that's included during the day with discounted admission at night. South of the river is the Minami district, where you'll find many of Osaka's most famous attractions, including Osaka Castle and the city's iconic entertainment district. Even if you're only spending one night in Osaka, chances are you'll end up in Dotonbori. Between Dotonbori and Shinsekai, this became one of my favorite nightlife areas anywhere that we visited. Running through the middle of the Dotonbori is the Tombori River, and taking a river cruise is one of the best ways to experience the atmosphere. It almost feels like floating through Times Square, but on a boat instead of sitting in traffic. You can book the cruise ahead through Wonder Cruise or stop by the Tombori Cruise ticket booth to reserve a spot. The ride lasts about 20 minutes, includes a drink, and our guide kept the trip fun without making it feel rushed. It's a simple activity, but one I'd absolutely recommend if you're visiting Osaka. If you're planning a trip to Japan, be sure to check out the rest of my Japan videos for more destination guides, travel tips, and ways to make the most of your trip.